At number 4, we have the Leather Honey Complete Leather Care Kit. Leather Honey's non-toxic natural formula effectively restores and protects leather without using silicone, solvents, or harmful chemicals. The complete kit includes an 8-ounce leather cleaner, 8-ounce leather conditioner, and 2 lint-free application cloths. The cleaner works on both genuine and faux leather, as well as vinyl, PVC, plastic, and rubber surfaces. The conditioner, specifically designed for genuine leather except suede, penetrates deeply to revitalize stiff or worn leather, creating a water-repellent protective layer that lasts up to 6 months. The honey-like consistency of the conditioner ensures thorough absorption, while the cleaner's liquid formula removes dirt and grime without leaving residue. Developed in 1968, this USA-made product requires minimal product per application, making it economical for use on furniture, car interiors, shoes, and accessories. The kit's 2-step process ensures both cleaning and long-term protection of leather items,